all got you through getting a higher Chime SpotMe limit and mastering SpotMe Boosts without waiting months for the algorithm to move your base amount. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. SpotMe Boosts are peer-to-peer features that allow Chime members to temporarily increase each other's overdraft limits by $5 at a time, providing up to $20 in extra monthly coverage that costs you nothing. To maximize your limit, first open the Chime app and head to the SpotMe Hub located under Financial Tools on your home screen to see your current base limit. This hub is your command center. From here, you can see exactly how much fee-free coverage you have available and track how many boosts you have left to send or receive for the month. Also, you have to activate your physical Chime Visa debit card or credit builder card, as SpotMe requires an active physical card to be enabled. Select SpotMe to access your enrollment settings. Once you are qualified, toggle the overdraw fee-free switch to the on position to authorize Chime to cover your transactions when your balance hits zero. Check your current limit, which starts at $20 and can grow to $200 to know exactly how much padding you have for your next purchase. Use your card as usual at stores, online, or even at ATMs, and SpotMe will automatically kick in to cover the difference if you exceed your available balance. Avoid using SpotMe for Venmo, Cash App, or Pay Anyone transfers, as these specific transaction types are not covered by the overdraft service. To temporarily increase your limit by up to $20 each month, look for the Grow Your Limit with Friends section inside the SpotMe Hub. From here, you can trade $5 boosts with up to 4 friends. Importantly, sending a boost to a friend does not reduce your own limit. It's a gift from Chime. When you receive your next deposit, Chime will automatically apply those funds to your negative balance to bring your account back to zero, with no interest or fees charged. If you try to spend more than your total SpotMe limit, the app will simply decline the transaction, rather than charging you a penalty, keeping your account safe from unexpected costs. If your SpotMe limit still isn't high enough for your needs, you can access up to $500 of your pay early using the My Pay feature. Click here to watch how to get it. Regularly sending your boosts, even before receiving one in return, can increase your visibility within the Chime algorithm and improve your chances of a permanent base limit hike. Always monitor the SpotMe Hub for new eligibility requirements, as Chime frequently updates its Chime Plus member benefits. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.